Hello Cheongdam, this is Harrison Kim in Cheongdam branch, and I prepared my video with my father's smartphone, and this is my car that I use for presentation. I hope you like it, and I'll start the introduction.
As you know, cars are very comfortable. They can run fast and makes it comfortable. However, there are three limits to be secured. First is the high traffic. Second is that cars can't go through water. Third is that cars can't fly. I made a EMP car, which stands for Electricity Moving Propeller Car. And as you can see, there is one propeller on the middle. See? That is the propeller that moves the car. And as you see in the front, there is something yellow. That is the solar heat or light absorber, which can earn electricity while going through the street. As you see, there are two wheels in each wheels. So, total, there's 8 wheels that can move the car. There's a reason why there are 8 wheels, and we'll know it later on. Like most of the cars, this car can go front and back. When there's traffic, this car could stand up vertically and go front and back with a slim body, which can make it have less traffic. This car is able to hold the propeller vertically, able to move the propeller as a motor of a motorboat. The propeller could elevate and extend like a helicopter propeller and fly like a helicopter.
There are two more important things to talk about. First of all, because this EMP car uses electricity, this car can protect the environment. Second, because it changes like a helicopter, it can reduce the plane crashes that occur in the sky. And thank you for listening. I am Harrison Kim.